Good morning, everybody. We are in sunny Valencia in the beautiful south of Spain, getting ready for an 8-day cruise with my in laws. I've got 4B, 4C hair, and today I'm packing all the hair essentials that you need to survive in this wonderful vacation and still keep your hair looking beautiful. Let's pack together. I hope you can hear me. I'm wearing a microphone so you can see, hoping that you can hear me properly. And I'm speaking quite low because I don't want to disturb the other hotel guests. So I have the challenge that I'm traveling with in-laws. That is not a challenge on its own. And my challenge is that they either have no hair or straight hair. I'm talking about 1B, 1C type hair. And I have, as you know, waist 4B, 4C hair, and it's fine. It's shrunken right now. If you want to see how I did this, I'll be making a video with all the hairstyles I'm doing throughout these 2 weeks. So anyway, I don't want to be the one causing drama because everyone's ready and I'm still washing, detangling, conditioning my hair. So I have to figure out what things to bring and what things to do so that my hair wash is very quick. So I have already packed my things while I was in Denmark. So right now I'm just talking you through what I have packed. So keep on watching. If you've been watching my previous video, you know that my parents-in-law have their 50th year anniversary and we are going on a cruise on the Mediterranean. I've already done a pack with me video and now I'm going to do a pack my hairs video. And I want to start to make it a little bit organized. I'll start with shampoos, conditioners, then we'll go to stylers, and then accessories that I'm bringing with me. I've also chosen one wig to bring with me. Can you guess which one? And I will also share with you when I'm planning to wear it. So for shampoo, I've chosen to bring all the small samples I've gotten from my recent hotel stays. So here's a bunch of samples of body lotions and shampoos I've gotten. This one is anti-dandruff shampoo. When I'm on vacation, dandruff doesn't tend to be an issue, but it's nice to have them just in case. It seems that when I'm washing my hair almost daily, it seems to be a little bit less. But just in case, as you know, I often use this anti-dandruff sulfur, 10% sulfur shampoo. I'm bringing this one. And otherwise, last night when I washed my hair, when we landed, I washed my hair with the two of the samples and actually the hotel's own shower gel, and that was fine. Comment below what is your must pack shampoo when you travel. Ocean water, beach, pool water can be brutal on our fine texture hair, the 4C, 4B hair. So I've packed a few conditioners. Bar conditioner. And I mean, bar conditioner, in my opinion, is not as good as liquid conditioner, especially for our hair. But if you happen to run out of conditioner and you have time to rub this on your entire head, this might be better than not having any. And also, if you're only traveling with hand luggage, this is could be practical until you find a supermarket where you can get a liquid conditioner. So I also bring this with me, and it's not too heavy. A lot of them sample sizes, and also bought one, my favorite, the one from my local supermarket. But that's not probably not going to be enough if I continue to wash my hair every day. So I'll be going to the local supermarkets and see if I can find anything that I can suggest to you. Would you share with me your favorite conditioner when you're a cruise or just in general when you're on vacation or holiday, as my UK girlies say? So for leave-ins, I just want to mention quickly that I don't normally use leave-in conditioners. I normally use a styler like a gel instead of a conditioner. So let's move on to gels. So for gels, I normally use a what they call I think the word is base gel, and then I use another gel as a topper sometimes. And I also let me show you the ones I like. I like Pro Gel I'm using at the moment. I actually like another one better. I should make a video about it. And I'm also bringing a gel I bought in Panama. It's not very strong hold, but it might, since I'm probably washing my hair anyway, I might as well use it up. And I also, as a base gel, I been using the Camille Rose curl maker. I just ran out of it yesterday, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do now. And as many of you know, I love my mousse wash and goes. I am bringing mostly hair mousses, the Lotta Body coconut and shea oil. This is the Dew Mousse Diff, and this is the olive oil or as Rapset mousse, and the Camille Rose spiked honey mousse. I'm bringing mousses mainly because it is easier for me to do a mousse wash and go, and even though it might last a day, especially if you're outdoors, I often wash my hair every day when I'm on vacation anyway. I like that they're soft and they dry quick, but they don't have as much hold. And for this weather and humidity and heat, mousses might not hold up so well if you are a gel girly. So actually for the flight, I used gel instead to give me a little bit of hold, and it held up okay, I think. You let me know what you thought about my fly with me. Actually, now that I think about it, that's the next video coming, so stay tuned. So for my people who likes wigs, I am bringing my HerGivenHair wig, and I am going to wear it. MSC has a few theme nights, as you might have seen in my pack with me video, and I'm going to use it on the. There's one of the nights called the glow night where you use like neon clothes and so on, and I want like big hair for that night, make it a little bit extra. There's another night called the sunshine flower night where you are encouraged to wear clothes from the 70s or 60s and 80s, and also for that night I want big hair, so I might be wearing that for that night. And if you've not seen my video about that wig, I'm going to put it on the description box so you can see it. So let's talk about accessories. For accessories, I brought some claw clips to section my hair, but I actually didn't use them yesterday because I was so tired. I just did a really quick wash and go. But for the next days, when I want to detangle a little bit more thoroughly, I'm going to section my hair in fours. So claw clips are very useful. I also have crocodile clips if I want to section something in a smaller section. They're also very useful. I also have tons of scrunchies, and that helps me, like for example when I did my pineapple last night, and also if I want to separate, if I do like wash and go with mousse, it will not go well on a pineapple, so I have to separate it in smaller sections. Then I would use scrunchies. Excuse me if I'm making faces, it's so hot. It's really hot. Yeah, that was a side note. I've also brought my pillowcase, a satin pillowcase to protect my hair, just also in case if I move a little bit too much, or if I didn't put on my turban at night, my hair buff, then it protects my hair. And I also brought a microfiber towel if I want to put my hair up. Or last night, like my hair was still a little bit humid when I went to bed, I put it in their pillow. I actually also brought a hair bonnet, but I didn't use it last night because my hair was still wet and I wanted it to dry. So, and if you keep your hair bonnet with hair dry, your hair might actually smell moldy in the morning or have this unpleasant scent, and it will not dry. Humidity might cause you extra scalp issues and perhaps hair issues also. I also bring a small empty water bottle because just in case I have to refresh my hair and I want to spray a little water in it, I bring a small one. You see it's smaller than my hand. I always check that it works because it's old. I'll make sure it works still. It does. Also bringing some extra empty bottles because just in case, for example, sometimes I buy a conditioner. This is a conditioner. If I buy a conditioner somewhere else and I don't finish up the bottle, I can bring some of it or whatever's left over back home in these bottles. Things I'm bringing for my hair, I'm bringing my trusty Tangle Teaser. And I am bringing a hair flower just in case I'm feeling extra special. Or if one of the sides of my wash and go, it looks funky, this is a good way to hide it. Just kind of brush out, section out, and put this on top. We'll be boarding in a couple of days, and if you are interested and you're curious about what I'm going to do with my hair the next few days and on the cruise, make sure to stay tuned. I can't wait to bring you along in this journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. YouTube is about to show you another video of your interest. Make sure to watch.